Choo-choo train is on the way. Way! Through the jungle bright and gray. Baby dinos hear the sound. Let's all jump and run around. Choo-choo! Go, go, go! Dino party in a row. Tracks are shaking, trees all sway. It's a dino train today. T-Rex climbs with tiny feet. Is the seat too big for me? Triceratops says, move aside. All the dinos take a ride. Bearing, choo-choo, stomp, stomp, stomp. Dino dance on every stop. Roar and laugh and jump in line. Train is wild and feeling fine. Suddenly the train goes boom. Stegosaurus shakes the room. Brachio bends and hits the top. Oops, I think I made it pop. Choo-choo, wiggle, wiggle. Dinos laugh and do a jiggle. Rumble, tumble, what a sight. Dino train is wild tonight. Train goes into spooky cave. Who is inside? Be brave, be brave. Echo sound, roar, roar, roar. Who's the guide? Baby dino scream for more. But it's just a dino band. Trying music in the sand. Choo-choo, music blast. Dino party moving fast. Clap your claws and stomp your feet. This train ride is super sweet. Train comes out into the sun. Dino shouting, this was fun. Driver dino rings the bell. Next adventure all is well. Choo-choo, one last cheer. Dino friends are all right here. Roar and laugh and say hooray. Train ride ends the happy way. Choo-choo, stomp, stomp, stomp. Dino train will never stop. Sing it loud and join the fun. Dinosaur ride for everyone. Choo-choo. Ooh, splash, 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 splash. Ooh, splash, splash, splash. Baby shark is playing around. Come on, friends, don't delay. Let's wash our hands today. In the ocean school so bright. Baby shark feels something not right. All the fish are feeling slow. Why are germs everywhere you go? Teacher shark says, oh, oh no. Dirty hands are causing woe. Shoo, shoo, germs, go away. Crab and fish are sneezing loud. No more playing, happy crowd. Baby shark says, I know what to do. We need clean hands, me and you. But wait, water tap is dry. What can we do? Oh my, my. Oh no, what's the plan? Boo, boo, boo. Baby shark finds magic soap. Don't worry, friends, there is hope. He rubs his hands left and right. Suddenly germs take a flight. Rub, 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 soap so fun. Germs are running one by one. Water comes back, splash, splash, splash. Now it's time for hand wash bash. Fish start dancing, crab does spin. Clean hands party, let's begin. Baby shark leads with cheer. Clean hands magic is here. La la la, dance with me. Healthy, happy family. Baby shark, solve the day. Germs all ran far away. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands, happy every day. Boom, splash, 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 splash. Boom, splash, splash, splash. Boom, splash, 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 splash. Boom, splash, splash, splash. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands, happy every day. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands, happy every day. Come on, everyone, join me. We're coming. Birthday, Rex. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Happy birthday, dear. Roar, roar, faster. Fix it quick, go faster, faster. Four little dinos looking sad, Chad.
no.
That big bite was really bad. Cake is messy on the floor. What can we do? We need some more. Don't worry, dinos, it's okay. Let's clean up and start the play.
We can still have fun. Yes, let's share what's left.
Three little dinos grab some cream. Hot fun, let's rebuild the birthday dream. One dino slip, oh what a scene.
no.
Cream went splat on the screen. Oh no, sticky party fun. Clean it up, job not done. Two little dinos fixing fast. Found this cake disaster won't last. They add some berries, red and sweet. But now the cake is looking neat. Oh, build it up, make it right. Birthday cake is shining bright.
We could rebuild it. Yay!
One little dino proud and glad. Birthday turned from good to bad. But friends all helped and smiled so wide. Where now they dance side by side. Cake is ready, candles glow. Happy dinos in a row. Make a wish, they all shout. Birthday joy all around.
We need a plan.
Maybe hide it?
No, let's clean up.
Good idea.
Five little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and bumped his knee. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, "No more monsters jumping on the bus. Riding on the bus, riding on the bus. No more monsters jumping on the bus." Honk, honk, beep, beep. Four little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and broke the wheel. The driver called the fairy, and the fairy said, "Stop the monsters rocking the bus." Three little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and broke the horn. The driver called the dragon, and the dragon roared, "Stop these monsters breaking the bus." Two little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and tore the seat. The driver called the mermaid, and the mermaid said, "No more riding on the shaky bus." One little monster was riding on a bus. He jumped off and cracked the bus. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, "Fix the bus, fix the bus, fix the bus, let's fix the bus."